I was just 17 minutes at the top of the hour. Beyi W'ano, Dwaso. Come and remove your mouth. My main friend Kwasi Asempa, my Mr. Franco say, CEO Franco Trading Enterprise. Open phone, Papa gadgets, Ben, open electronic gadgets, and one Franco. Yakanyina Unia, you any Franco Trading Enterprise. Okwa dia na wunya ho wo de bobrem na customer service no kra de dutem said ye be ma wakwaba agiwa bababa na wo kwa said ye no kra wo de fi ho no amoni ma afuso de eye papa na de de kra ne say oh ho donti price na ye cool e de na pay ko Franco Trading Enterprise o sabeka wate abani Franco say ye chia o asomdwenka o yakobo ma onyinche abusia yantoaso the Fiasia Pontain Hospital, Yakan Wasema Kaka. The failure of successive government. Young first born in buying with but I buy with one out so and it's a born 1 year the bebo. The fact is, I buy me by 1 year and don't just also buy men yet. And this year buy by 1 year, former President Mahama 1 year, Pontain Warren went to me and see a bomb. And this about we bano kase and meso unyanya and bibi anywhere just say wo ba be ye na ni manimu ya. If he said the first 4 years, first term, or health minister no Korean was signed in a sisu wako was onya ho she 4 years abekem. Meanwhile budget ni the same and ya na just mo ba be ye agrobe so anefia no pa. Excellency na nado wo Spain na utie me asum drink count. Yagoba ma onyinche na so your birthday wo birthday gift am dey ma oni. Say o man pani kan na your birthday enra wa be de chire Dr. Muhammadu Baumia eko Facebook ehie nsem bebregu ho ka say o man pani ni achievement what me aye first term no na me say o de ba be ka ho say in fact this second term pastor Pantai Hospital no ye ba be si wa fa bibia san ka ho omitted o man pani it is omitted. In fact, I didn't tell you, Debia Mekasa, the Akan, Yendinko, the Omadino Mundinko, Nadiakan, Yabohombai. Assassin 300 and something acres, Yaka 300 and something acres. Is a Pantai Hospital, Mzaka 5 acres, spend a hospital in Siso. And in Kwasi Akwaba. Now 5 acres, no so crana, Yabohombai, wall. Yankasa Mumbesi facility. Ebi keke yase wall, Muncha wall faho. Because you see a ultra modern lab and the embassy. Or the wall, Mumbe Chamfaho keke said the beya workers, the bambono, Yambo Mohobai. 5 p.m. now OPD Yapon. And the emergency and you may be doing and so Massa Yansho Yapon. I think you've been moving in Pakro, Effie Pantai Hospital. You do 37, the traffic light I hold or stop. Jina, now on we. Yeah, the people, ambulance, Ukraina, before cars, Ebe Makwan say, oh, ambulance, but nani Pakro Nguye. What are we talking about? But the failure of government, Adom 106.3 FM. Beyi W'ano segment, Odia, some solution, ye be nyama Pantai Hospital. War no, ombe kafa ho. Na ye kafa ho ya, me she. The health minister betuni kaji, oh, beautiful wall, me baby chapa so. Baby chap. Ya shepa, ya chadi ya mobeye. Beyi W'ano, ye flow say Beyi W'ano, e dia na to me ye fa Pantai Hospital war no ho. E dia na to me ye ebo. Workers ne ho ban. Dr. Bunny Michewa no pay wabre. Dr. Bunny Abrantie kama ni tiri ho nyina tutu because hospital no wadwendwenti last oba me hwere me se Awurade enu ma na didi uturu se Asempa nyamia adwendwen keke so hu se de wa hwe ni Dr. Bunny no ya afro ene ya na wie ye awayire wo ma o be gain hospital ho sa adakutim e be postmortem ya se adwendwen eku no young guy, energetic guy. Opeso ye juma. And yes, juma no yama ni ho. Or yama buy or ye for the nation Ghana. Request upon request. No de kwa no bra, no de kwa no bra. So walk keke. And that's why you intimacy. But your friend papa and mommy. Why? I'm not so my friend and mommy. Now me need to train come on. Good morning. Me need Kwasi Asempa. Uti Adom 106.3 FM. Beyi W'ano segment. But I for more. Me baby activity phone lines no. And now me say insure kakra toye, insure kakra toye. Our area hokoshe. Eyira ma ward nyina ewurawura. Amos sana tugu miwa ajare for da ho. Ade empla na ekosu o man mu. Ya koka amase mi enka. E ka ya se akwanya ne wanya radio so na atiete mamentiam. I was saying you want to kodum radio no Yunsafi wo. Yunsafi wo na Yunsafi radio no so wuchi makwan fato ho. Ndo tie dia make because you was said na wanye. O kodum radio sa na ye den. Anso wani awu. Men dum no tie mane wo wo. No to America ne kosi wo no sa na tie. O ye de yanka wani nje. Nka badisa wotu ye na mbeta na mzee panta wo ni ato senko wani age send dia make bia ma. One to America ne de wukodum radio jai. Mon frère papa no mami. On va n'entrer en romano so. Et on te train comment. Mami face dans ma DDT. Beyi W'ano anwa. Ah DDT anwa. Abisha yabeko romano so na fe the chairman of the health committee e Ghana Mrasebedwam Dr. Nana Ayo Efriye. Doc, what you mean kasum drink come on pay?
And council, bro.
Me get is a bibia bako there.
Yamene hede. It's a charity for.
A tea for Joso ba. Doc, I pay your friend when you're bonnet. In fact, Assembly Hame ha Ghana for her Pantai for. Doc, Pantai Hospital. Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Me bato man visit ho.
Last Parliament, yeah. Young call in this current Parliament.
But the last Parliament,
I think yes, just about 2017 already.
But at the time, now still Oka Health Committee no.
Yeah.
And see Omoko and Bacha Ukobi.
And basically issues that a few was about the operations of the institution and how it's going by allocations, by budget, and they selected some hospitals. And I'm presented their problems. No, kind of the ministry this year, among some of which, and they also say, here we are, the producer, they are hammer.
Yeah, and only a wall, net to know.
Exactly.
Okay.
I think 2017 or 18. Omoka said, I'm out for coach almost started.
And Doc, since then, me assure sir.
Sorry?
Hello, Doc. But since then, me assure sir, at least me push ya.
I think that your meeting be on it with Committee of Land and Forestry. More on the land issue media. More directed to Committee of Land. That time, not chairman. I think it's Adabo. Adabo probably is still the chairman now. And Mekai said, yeah, joint committee. Yeah, the catcher speaker said, I'm out for to sit down and one more starting so. And the speaker, my joint committee.
Yeah.
And I invited land for buyer. And you're more the directive be my land for, I'm sure it's a greater Accra. I was on with the feedback back. Yes, and on our part there, I think it's advocacy and yet the responsibility of Parliament to do that. A responsibility of policy maker to make intervention and open so any decision be so then you open your parliamentary backing. And then also as MPs, we as advocates. But we cannot push policy when policy hasn't come to us.
Doc, in this case, your camp policy on this particular issue, no, related to their land, they say your bed wall, mom, what policy are we looking at?
I didn't say you were just talking about land, acquisition from the family. Family led the government of Ghana. I almost answered the Ministry of Health. What was it? What is there? Until you need to have all the respective site plan, indentures, registration, government ownership, and almost to a core encroaching. What was that? And also so that because the minister Abayata said on farmer Busiampo to me and confer and cotton. What is there? It's not right. Indeed, those are the things that you're asking for. The almost copy papers in reconciling. Now almost I'm back, and I'm not too sure there. But me about any further updates to a honeymoon. Yes, it is here, and at this point, the Ministry of Health and the mother institution. Okay. It will be almost government records. Be our one person. I also what was the agreement between them and and the institution and the family.
But Doc, you agree with me as chairman of the health committee. Obviously, one issue is the buyer, the working a big now raising a question on the floor. Some minister Bebabe answer is not difficult, Anna.
Was raising a question? No, we would not. We don't even raise question on the floor. What happened is when we any such finding now that's not here, we report it to my speaker. That speaker take a direction. After question on the floor there, even a question I'll be asking is the speaker who grants you to speak or not. In any case, we walk around to be sanctioned by the speaker. So it is over. You just take the direction of the speaker, and if issues are persistent now, what you have to do is that get the Ministry of Health, let them speak to this. Let Ghana Health Service speak to this issue. So that they let the Director of Land speak to this issue. Now, then we will know more illegally because some of them are very bad. Let me say, enter Pantahokra, and then on the right or left, there is an immediate structure, and you see somebody who was working with Obidia now or land. You don't even know how only Akununya. I'm not only Akununya. I think that lands on the assembly. Assembly no move oversee to the area no. And the some of those issues now. Start that here.
Yeah.
Almost a family for also no. I say I know the amount fan can amount for 60 stores. Amount for I terrible, but very terrible. Like I say, they mean to me count on land issues. No. Mean to me count on the best is that make me advocate for them. But mean to me count on land issues.
Okay.
So that's it. And I mean, I'm saying, and now, and the people must answer to it. That's the truth.
So,
the person will be free. How do you under regional lands?
Yeah.
Yes, in the regional lands, I was he speak to it for the public to hear. Now, the Ghana Health Service there say amount for
yeah.
But the best is that you're signing an agreement, government owning the land, wherever the archives are, who within the family, what the issues are. And what we're encroaching illegally, then the decision must be taken on you. What is here? And because me, as I said here, and the offer, that's the truth.
So, Doc, as part of your advocacy, then Abe.
Now, also one can't tell me there, your party make because I'm willing to be able to say, yeah, because for instance, Olebu Teaching Hospital, almost yes, and I'm for
okay,
say money ministry akasa money Ghana Health akasa money lands akasa there no moka so na ebetimi abua ma wo obeka bisuno uni ma dia also beka.
Okay, so so far Ministry of Health if you're booking meeting with them this week I best your partners on this particular issue. And now Yane Bantai Hospital Management already Yane Omatanasi Dinkomo the extent of the issue. And yeah, follow up, papa. And as part of this, Lance, I think on Thursday or so. Yes, producer catch me. Said Thursday, and Lance of us were meeting.
Okay, so what the ombudsman is there?
Yeah.
A petition from a public group like more. Everything directed to the joint chairman, the chairman of Health and Land. And that's how they a petition that go to the speaker. What that is. More petition to the fact that so is happening.
Yeah.
Which the Health Committee have reported to Parliament. And the Speaker of the last Parliament, am I joined with the stakeholders? And having done that, everyone is in indulgence. What you are there?
Great.
To set up the necessary committees, what you are there? To oversee and make appropriate reports and recommendations. What was that? And I think that a public interest group like Adom FM or the show, the producers of the show, you can definitely be able to write to the speaker. What was that? So in this case, what will happen is the joint committee is back. Then you have all of the stakeholders be able to be a but this notwithstanding, that the ultimate, the ministry, because Abaya was lawyer. It is the way a private person for Abaya ultimately, Abaya, I was also a farm.
Right. But Doc, are you saying, sir, without the Wakeke young initiative, personally, to me, any advocacy be on that?
Oh, there be media. I think that at the end of the day, Lance, family, and the ma abai. Family, the ma abai, no. Maybe a much amount for acquiring coach, not a cajon. Omwa acquiring coach, Omunya, 2 minutes, if you such as here. Mama, yem that one. Then if you open petition committee, that's a committee a question background. The better have minister Utie. The better say the first committee be not to get evidence now. Who the speaker? The speaker will recommend to the sector ministers involved for the appropriate action to be taken. I am an advocate. Any role, an advocate.
Right.
Of which definitely you have me as a partner on this project. Because me and Kazano, we are called Mampe. I wasn't the chairman then. Okay. I'm not the chairman.
Right.
Anything within our strength we can do. Step by step. That's what I wanted to see from that view. Yeah.
Mate Doc, I thank you. Why? Yeah, that's a brace on the Architect Commander Pay. And as well, we wish you well. Dr. Nana Ayuwe Free, the chairman of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Yeah, and then the Chichen Commander, we'll be to our 2 minutes after 9, Beyi W'ano segment. But the good news is that Adom FM, DwasoNsem, you're 2 and more on this particular issue. We've met some concerned Ghanaians almost say, Adom, and we almost started at the dear Teresa. We are willing to build the wall for Pantine Hospital for free. We are willing. You see, really, I say, Najuma Mudi. Hey, Juma Papa. If you see a tea, I say, body room starting here, no. Something has to be done. I bind the a beche and a cheso. And if individuals, I say, we are willing, you see a yard, they check Pantine Hospital. So that workers, almost safety, almost bambo, bibia bekoya, a ding, and a ye. Good morning, Kwasi Asempa, Uti Adom 106.3 FM. Beyi W'ano, Mediasi.